Welcome back to Cocina.soy Season 2. This is Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making Pollo a la Pepitoria.
Salt and pepper the chicken on both sides. Cut the onion in julienne. Peel the garlic, grate the tomatoes, peel the boiled eggs, and separate the yolk from the white. Cut the whites into small cubes. In a medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan. Sauté the garlic, almonds, and bread. Transfer them into the mortar. Lower to medium heat and cook the chicken until golden brown. In the meantime, let's make the pepitoria in the mortar. Smooth the bread, garlic, and almond. Add the yolk. Once the chicken is golden brown, remove it and put it aside. Add the onion into the saucepan, stirring the onion around, scraping off any pieces and burnt chicken from the pot. Cook until some water has evaporated and soften the onion. Incorporate the tomato and cook for 5 minutes. Let's get the chicken back into the saucepan. Add the wine and broth to cover the chicken. Bring to boil. Take a few spoons of the liquid and incorporate it. Bring the heat to medium-low and add the entire portion of the pepitoria. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Remove the lid, bring it to medium-high heat, cook for another 10 minutes, and add the cube egg whites. It is ready to be served.
And here it is, our Pollo a la Pepitoria. Make sure you have some bread next to it so you can. So good. Oh, the sauce. So good. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like.